it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pocket letter swap I did with Crafty Kitty. She has a channel here on YouTube and it is amazing, guys. You must check out her channel. She does thrift hauls, dollar store hauls. She does craft. You gotta check it out. You will enjoy her channel, trust me. So before we jump into this, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So I'm going to start off with her package. Her package was amazing. I did not expect this when I got it in the mail. I felt it. It was so heavy. I couldn't wait to jump into it. I'm going to also show you the pocket letter I created for her. I was super proud of it. I do not have a large stash, so I sent as many goodies as I possibly could come up with, and I really hope she enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. I absolutely love the package she sent me as well. Please, guys, her channel is going to be linked in the description down below. Do not forget to go over to her channel. So guys, if you don't know, I'm in New York and Crafty Kitty is in Canada, and here's how pretty she wraps it up. And I just don't really want to show you the addresses, but here's the package. When I felt it, I knew that it was super duper heavy, and I could not believe all she sent me. I am so appreciative of this entire package. It was so very generous. I can't even begin to tell you how much stuff she put in this pocket letter. I'm gonna put all the goodies aside because the purpose was really the pocket letter and the rest was literally bonus. So she gave me this very beautiful card. I am so excited about this pocket letter. Look at this fox card, super duper cute, and the sentiments inside are extremely sweet. Look at this pocket letter, guys. How beautiful. We chose vintage as the theme, and she nailed it. I'm in love with this pocket letter. So we're gonna start with this very first pocket, and she made these beautiful cards for me. So the first pocket, it's this beautiful paper card, and she sent me these adorable little pink ribbons. Love those. And she put these stickers on the outside, which is great because you have the card and you still have the sticker embellishments. So you can kind of see that I'm not going to take them all out. This pocket's the same. She put this beautiful butterfly on the outside and this one-of-a-kind stickers on the outside. On this pocket here, she put this beautiful rose flower. Love that. And in the back here, I already showed you the bows. She included this beautiful applique heart with the pearl in the middle and this really cute stamp here, this flower stamp. So cute. The second row here, she did the same. Everything's the same with the paper, and then just what she embellished it with is different. And this is so pretty. I love butterflies. She didn't even know this about me. And she put the smile word over here, some washi with the word smile. Over here, it has these beautiful stickers as well. So pretty. This is like an enamel sticker and has the gold there. So cute. It says whimsy. Over here, she put the word sweet with some washi and the applique. That one's inside. That beautiful pink heart that she had included on the back here. And on the second row back, she included some little white flowers, some cute little pearl iridescent-y dots, and these adorable butterflies. I'm so loving these butterflies right now. Super cute. And then in this last row, she put this beautiful sticker here. It says believe. Over here, the beautiful flower. And on this last pocket, it says serendipity and has this cute little rose as well. And in the back here, she put some tags. She put these cute little dove paper clips. And then some other little tag or cards over here. So this was my pocket letter, and I was thrilled with just this. This is amazing. I so love this pocket letter. It is beautiful. She really outdid herself, guys. She sent me all these goodies inside. She sent me a pack of these beautiful applique hearts. How pretty are these? The pearl, 3 came in this pack. My favorite color is purple, and she sent me this alphabet purple puffy stickers. She sent me these birthday stickers. I'm so sorry about the glare, guys. Trying to get it right. How cute are these little stickers for a birthday card you might want to create, or a pocket letter. She sent me these little emoji stickers here. These are like birthday boy tags. Some Halloween stickers. The rhinestone word fun. She sent me these beautiful pearl sticker dots. So pretty. Look at that. God, she must have somehow known my favorite color is purple. She was paying attention to my videos. How beautiful are these purple gems. Some purple butterflies. Some more butterflies and flowers. And then a whole pack of these adorable Valentine stickers. So this was completely fantastic. So much appreciated. Thank you so much, Crafty Kitty. So now we're gonna move on. I'm gonna show you guys my pocket letter that I've created. So here's the vintage pocket letter that I created for Crafty Kitty. So I created this using, I got a traveling type of paper, and I used that as my theme, and I put it on cardstock so that it was double-sided and sturdy. So my first pocket, I've told you this, I like to say hello, and I was very excited. I just got a Cricut for Hanukkah, and I tried it on out, and I was able to print and get the word hello and this heart, and I added a little doily at the top, and I didn't really attach the heart so she could pull it on out if she wants to use it. On the reverse side is just some kind of plain paper, and I threw some black distressing ink around the edges of the card to make it more vintage and older looking. In the back of the first pocket, I included 2 tags. One I made with the traveling paper, and one I just made with regular paper, cardstock. Pocket number 2 here, I just embellished it with some of these gems that I just thought it was like vintage glam, and these are from the Dollar Tree. And the back of this one is just plain cardstock. And I included some gems as well for my partner, Crafty Kitty. Pocket number 3, I really love this pocket. I like to make the hangers out of some wire, so I made this hanger here, and using some embroidery thread, I added that on to look like a little macrame hanging off of the hanger. I added the doily, some washi tape on the corner here like a banner, and the back is just plain, and I did distress it a little, so that's what that black ink is about over there. And then I included just a couple of more tags in the back of this pocket. I love tags. I just think they're super cute, and they're great to put in your journal book to write little notes on. This pocket here, I created this card with the paper, and I sewed on some of this trim that I had. I just thought it looked, this was really left over from something, and I thought it would look beautiful and vintage-like, and it brought in the blue color on the paper. I added this little coffee or tea mug. And the back, I just covered up the stitching that I did on the sewing machine with some washi. And I included just some little paper and stickers in the back of this pocket. My favorite are the shaker pockets, and I stitched them up with my sewing machine, so I covered it up with a little bit of this lace. I thought that was vintagey, and some gold washi tape, which I ended up hot gluing on because it wouldn't stick over that. I usually add too much glitter, so this time I didn't go glitter crazy because I wanted her to be able to see the butterflies and the flowers that I have included inside the pocket. And I put the lace trim and the washi on the reverse side as well, and I just thought this was so cute. This next pocket, I kind of made them to be a little matching. I used this trim, so I included some in the very back of the pocket, and I put that on, and it just looks like a little curtain over the Eiffel Tower and a little glam butterfly bling. On this card here, I created the top here. I put on some lace trim from the Dollar Tree. It has this shaker sticker, and it says 5 o'clock somewhere. And then on the back, I thought it would be cute. I had some extra paper, and I kind of like tore it off, put it on here, and I just kind of thought it looked cute and vintagey. And in the back of this pocket, I'm including some of that lace trim that I used on her pocket letter. On the middle pocket here, I just added this compass or clock, actually, I think it's really a clock, sticker here in the Roman numerals. I thought it was very vintage, and this was part of a sticker pack from Dollar Tree. You guys could really get amazing stickers from the Dollar Tree. I used some washi tape and, you know, a little bit of that torn paper look on the back. I just thought it looked cute. I also included some gold washi tape and some little like drink stickers here in the back as well. My last pocket happens to be like my favorite pocket here because I used my Cricut machine to create these skeleton keys that look like cats. Now, I'm exchanging with Crafty Kitty, so I thought that was awesome, and I'm an enormous cat lover. I have 4 of my own, so I love this, and I thought it came out really cute. In the back again, I made that torn paper look over some of it, and I included an extra heart in the back and some more skeleton cat keys. On the side here, I actually did create this cute little tassel. I thought it came out very vintage glam. I made a little bow with the gold, and then I used some more of the gold ribbon down over here. So that wraps it up for today. I just wanted to share this swap I did with Crafty Kitty. Please guys, check her channel out. It's gonna be linked in the description box down below. You will not be sorry. Don't forget, give this video a great big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.